think this bed's just right for me.
Hey guys, I wanted to tell you about my buddy Tice. He's the one that whipped up that intro and outro for me. Let me know what you think of that in the comments, the new intro. But he's a really good friend of mine. Been friends for years. He had a van back in high school, like a '69 Ford bus van thing, I think. But we always said how cool it'd be to like live in the van. But anyways, so now he's getting into van life, and he just bought his first van today. It's a '94 Chevy G20 with a high top. I could maybe get a picture in there for you. But he drove his car up there. Now he bought the van. Now he's pulling his car back with the van. And I've been on the phone with him throughout this whole thing. But you guys got to check out his channel. I'm going to leave a link in the comments. And I think he's going to start putting up van videos. So thanks for the intro, Tice. I think it's day number 3. Or at least it'll be my 3rd video of working on the bed. But I'm gonna put the hinge flappy thing on today and take you through the process. Okay. Now I'm cutting in the van today because it's cold out, but it's already dirty, so I don't care. So on here, I think I'll put the hinges where I think the most weight it will be, like where your butt is. And I only bought 2 hinges, so now I'm sure these screws are poking through the other side, so I'll have to break them off. And hopefully that's strong enough to hold somebody. I'm sure it is, you know, but we'll find out. Okay, so you'll see these screws hanging out on the back side of this. Which I'd like to just bend them over for more strength. They're gonna break. That's okay. Hoping it's strong enough. If not, whatever. And of course I got a bunch of crap in the way. Okay, so I'm curious to see how much room this will give me with it folded out. Yeah, I'm still short. My mattress is 39 when I put the top part down, but that's okay. That'll give me more room for my shelving over here. So I'll be able to flip this up, put a couple legs under it, or maybe I'll have my shelf over here and then have like a bar that goes across that holds up the bed. Not really too sure yet. But nonetheless, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Looking pretty good, I think. Yeah, that's kind of smooth. Heck yeah. So if I want a bigger bed, I can have a bigger bed. Cool. Well, I gotta get out one more of these stupid seatbelt things. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. I have to use this bar for extra leverage. Oh, that was actually easy. Good. Well, it's just not coming out. It's just spinning. So I don't know if there's a nut on the bottom or what. So since I didn't, since I couldn't get it out, I'm gonna try to break it out. I'm actually bending my pry bar. That's not good. Can't do that. Bend it back now. But that should get it out of my way so I can get this board in here. So this is the base. And I think doing a 2x6 will be extra sturdy. I think I'll just do 2 screws for now. So I'm using these torque head screws like for a deck. So they should be pretty sturdy. Heck, maybe 2 is good enough. See if what I'm doing is gonna work here. See, and that's supposed to give me a sturdy base. And then later I can run a board up here. But yeah, that ain't looking too bad. Cool. I think it's gonna be really sturdy. Now I gotta do the other side.
Last night was pretty good. Slept pretty good. The only thing that sucked was at 2 a.m. a cop pulled a car over right behind me, and I was like shitting bricks because I don't have any covers on the windows. It was scary. Not very fun at all. But after that was all gone, I slept pretty darn good. I think this bed's just right for me.